Namaste everyone and a warm welcome in my YouTube channel MathTech. This is part for GeoGebra related with how to use circle tool. It is basic tutorial related to circle tool. With the help of this tool, how to draw circle with center through point, circle when center and radius are given, circle when we use compass, circle in case of passing through 3 points, how to draw semicircle, how to draw circular arc, circumcircular arc, circular sector, circumcircular sector. That means this is the complete video related to circle tool. So please do not forget to share it among your friends, because it is very useful for those who are interested to learn GeoGebra from the beginnings and who are beginners in GeoGebra. And it is very useful for those teachers who are new to GeoGebra and who want to learn GeoGebra from the beginnings. This is the very important video, and if you are new, please go to the link given in description box and visit part 1, part 2, part 3 video related to GeoGebra, and the link of part 3 video is also given in description box as well as in I button. Okay, let's start the video. Today we discuss about circle tool, and if you click on this circle tool, there are 9 options. Circle with center through points when center is given and 1 point is given. Circle with center and radius when center is given and we have an radius given. Compass when 1 point is for center and another point is for radius given. Circle through 3 points. In case of 3 points are given, we can draw circle by using this tool. Semicircle, and we can draw circular arc, circumcircular arc, circular sector as well as circumcircular sector from this circle toolbar. Let's start the first one. Circle with center through point. I have selected this tool, and if you put your cursor over here, the hint is given. Select center point, then point on circle. That means we need a point for center and 1 point on circumference of circle. Okay. Then I am going to select this O as the center and 1 point. Let's select this 2, 1 as another point. Yes, like this. Again, A for center and another point 4, 0. Okay, another circle is drawn. Again, let's select this one as center, D as center, and another point minus 8, 1. Okay, I am going to select this one minus 8, 1. Yes, another circle is drawn. That means we need 1 point for center and one point for circumference. Like this, we can draw circle by using this toolbar, and we can draw circle by using different methods also. Let's select another point already. This H is for center and I is for a point on the circumference. Then let's select this one, first toolbar, circle with center. Then I am going to select H as center and it passes through the point I. Yes, like this also we can draw a circle passing through a point with center is given. Another, let's select 2 point. I am going to select this point J as center and it passes through the point K. Minus 6, minus 3, minus 6. Okay. Then also we can draw circle with center through point. Center is J and it passes through the point K, like this. We can draw circle with center is given and 1 point. Okay. And if you want to find its radius, then just select any point, segment tool and join it, segment tool, join it, segment tool and join it, segment tool and join center and point on circumference. Yeah. Now from this angle toolbar, click on distance or length, then click on radius is given, radius is given, radius is given, radius is given. Yes, radius is okay. And if you click on its circumference, then it gives perimeter. Okay. Yeah, like this. circumference given, circumference given, circumference given, its circumference is given, circumference is given, its circumference. That means from the angle toolbar, you just click on distance or length and then click on its. You can find area also. For this you have to select area tool, then click on this circle. Yeah, circumference of circle. Yeah, area also. You can find its area also. How much is its area? Okay, like this. Now let's delete all this. Let's select draw circle when center and radius is given. That means let's select this one, and if you put cursor over there, the hint is given. Select center point, then enter radius. Okay. Now I am going to select the center point is origin, center at origin, and radius is 1. Okay. Again, center at origin and radius is 2. Let's draw concentric circle. Center at origin, radius is 3. Center at origin, radius is 4. Center at origin and radius is 5. Wow. Let's draw concentric circle like this. Let's draw circle again by using different method. Okay. For this, select circle, this second toolbar, circle with center and radius. Click on anywhere which is center. Yeah, suppose this is the center. Now it asks for radius, then input radius, whatever you want. I am going to input 2. Yeah, like this. When center and radius is given, this is center. Suppose this is center, center, and it asks for radius. Let's input 3. Like this, we can draw a circle with center and radius is given. Now we have another options, compass. Okay. For this compass, let's select this tool, and if you put cursor over there, the hint is select segment or 2 points for radius. That means or then center point. Then we have to select center point. Okay. Now let's select 2 points first. I am going to select 2 points D and E. Okay, 2 points. Now let's select this one, third toolbar, compass toolbar. Okay. Now the hint is select 2 points for radius, then center point. Now I am going to select D and E. Yes, then select center point. Which one you want to keep center? If you want to keep D as center, then place your then you have to put cursor at. Sorry, if you want to put E as center, then you have to place your mouse at E. And if you want to keep D as center, then you have to place your center at D. Okay, like this. Again, let's repeat it. Let's select 2 points. Okay. Now select this compass tool. Okay. Then the hint is select 2 points for radius. Yes. Now if you want to keep your P of S center, then do like this. If you want to keep G as center, then do like this. Let's repeat it. Yeah, G as center. Place your mouse at G and click on it. Like this, it is easy to draw Venn diagrams. Okay, when we need to draw Venn diagram, we can use this tool very easy. Okay, now I am going to delete all these. Again, I am going to repeat this one. Okay, this one, compass tool. Okay. Let's select this one. For this, we need 2 points. Let's unhide grid. Let's hide excess. Okay, excess. Now we need 2 points. This is 1 point. Select 2 points. This one and B. I am going to select 2 points. Okay. Now let's use this compass tool. Select 2 points for center and B as 2 points for radius and click on B as center. Again, select same tool. Click on 2 points for center and now let's keep A as center. Okay, then like this. Yes, our Venn diagram is ready. Yes, just click on it and click on show label to hide labels. Yes, show object to hide B points, show objects to hide A points and B points. Now press right click on this graphics view and click on grid to hide grid. Yes, now from snipping tool or press Window Shift and S. Window Shift and S. This snipping tool will be activated. Then press the part of screen you want to copy like this. Yes, this is copied. Press Ctrl plus C to copy it. And suppose I want to place it, then press Ctrl V to paste. Yeah, like this. Our Venn diagram is ready. Okay. And you can open Paint also, MS Paint, WinR, MSPAINT Paint. Yeah. Now click on this maximize button, press Ctrl plus V. Yeah. Then from this fill tool, you can fill whatever you want, different colors. Okay, different colors. This one represents A minus A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. Like this, you can use GeoGebra, yes, to draw Venn diagrams also. Oh, I'm not. I don't want to save it now. Okay. Yes. Don't save. Now, again, I'm going to activate grid. So right click on it. Click on grid. Right click on it. Click on axis to show axis. Okay. I don't want axis now. Also. Now we are going to select circle through 3 points. Okay. Next tool. Fourth tool. Okay. For this, we need x-axis and y-axis also. I am going to delete it. Okay, right click on it and click on axis to show axis. Now click on 3 points. One point is suppose 4, 2. Select 3 points. Let's take 3 points. One point is 4, 2. Another point is suppose 8 minus 4. Another point is here. Okay, 0, 0. Yes. Now we have 3 points. Now if we want circle passing through 3 points, then we have to select 4 tool, circle through 3 points. Then let's click on 3 points one by one. Yeah, there is a circle passing through 3 points. O 0, 0, 0, A 4, 4, and B 8 minus 4, like this. And if you want its center, then just from the second tool, click on midpoint, select midpoint or center, and click on the circumference of this circle. Yes, center is D is given. Its center is D, 4.67 minus 0.67. We can move its point. Yeah, and center will also be moved like this. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this. Yeah. Now its center is 3, 1. Okay, and which passes through the point C 0, 0, A 4, 4, and B 6, 2. Its center is 3, 1. Like this, we can select circle passing through 3 points. Any 3 points, anywhere. Yeah. By using this also. Suppose one point is here, yes. Another point is here, another point is here. Yeah. From 3 points, we can draw a circle. And suppose we have a polygon. Okay. We have a triangle. Yeah, a triangle has 3 vertices. Yes, and we want a circle which passes through 3 points. Okay, K, L, N, M. Then how to draw this? Okay, now let's select circle passing through 3 points and select the points respectively. Yes, it circumscribes the triangle. Yeah, like this. We have a polygon triangle. And we want a circle passing through 3 points. Then click on the points one after another, anywhere, in any direction. Just click on 3 points in any direction. It doesn't matter, any points. Again, we have a triangle. Yes, and we want a circle passing through 3 points. Yes, and now suppose we have a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Let's draw a model of right angle triangle here. Right angle triangle, yeah, like this. It's easy. Yes, let's check whether this angle is right angle or not from this angle tool. Yeah, angle tool. Let's measure it. Click on V U N T. Yes, 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now this is a right angle triangle. Yeah. This is a right angle triangle. Now, if you want a circle passing through 3 points, passing through the vertices of a right angle triangle, what happens? Let's see. Let's select the 3 points. Yeah, and now let's find the center of this circle. Okay, from this midpoint, from this tool, this point tool, select mid or center. And if you want the center of this circle, just click on vertices, sorry, circumference. You will get the you will get the, sorry, you get the center of this circle. Okay, like this. Yes. Now let's click on this circumference of this circle. Okay, to find midpoint. Yes, what is this? The center lies on this hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Okay, the center lies on hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Let's find its radius. Okay, radius. Yes, yes. So in a right angle triangle, the midpoint of hypotenuse of right angle triangle is equidistant from each vertices. Let's measure it, whether it is equal or not. Distance of O and T, 5.66, this one, 5.66, this one, 5.66, and radius. How much is this radius? Its radius is also 5.66. So the midpoint of hypotenuse of right angle triangle is equidistant from each vertex. That means it is equidistant from vertex T, from vertex U, and from vertex B, V. And in a right angle triangle, taking hypotenuse as diameter, we can draw a circle. That means midpoint of hypotenuse should be the center of circle. Okay, from this tool we can draw a circle like this.